Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Now you're grown up kids. Now you're in which standard? First standard. And today is your first day. And which subject today? English. And I'm your English teacher. You know alphabets? Yes. How many alphabets in English? 26. You learned in which standard? Junior and senior KG. Yes or no? Yes. So come on, let's start with our first alphabet. First alphabet is capital A. A for apple. You know apple? Yes. You eat apple? Yes. Next alphabet is capital B. B for ball. B for bat. You play with bat ball? Yes. Next alphabet is capital C. C for cat. You know cat? Next alphabet is capital D. D for dog. Next alphabet is capital E. E for elephant. Next alphabet is capital F. F for fish. Next alphabet is capital G. G for gun. Next alphabet is capital H. H for horse. Next alphabet is, yes, capital I. I for ice cream. You like ice cream? Yes. Next alphabet is capital J. J for joker. Next is K. K for kite. Next is capital L. L for lion, the king of jungle, you know na? Yes. Next alphabet is capital M. M for monkey. Next alphabet is capital N. N for nest. Next alphabet is capital O. O for orange. Next alphabet is P. Capital P. P for parrot. Next alphabet is Q. Capital Q. Q for quail. Next alphabet is capital R. R for rabbit. Next alphabet is capital S. S for sun. Next alphabet is capital T. T for tap. Next alphabet is capital U. U for umbrella. Now you're using umbrella now. Now it's which season? Rainy season. So you use umbrella now. Next letter is V. V for vase. Next letter is capital W. W for watch. Next alphabet is capital X. X for X-ray. Next alphabet is capital Y. Y for yak. Next alphabet is capital Z. Z for zebra. So you know all this alphabet? Yes or no? Yes. You know this capital alphabets? Yes. So you write this in your notebook. So this is capital A. This is capital B. This one is capital C. Next is capital D. Next is capital E. After E, which letter? F. After F, G. G after what? H. H after I. I after J. J after K. After K, which letter? L. After L, M. After M, which letter? N. N after O. O after P. P after which letter? Q. Q after R. R after S. S after T. T after which letter? U. U after V. V after W. After W which letter? X. After X, Y. After Y, which letter? Z. Yes, these are our 26 alphabets. Okay. So you write these alphabets in your notebook. Okay.